Baby bee.
Let me tell you a trick, it's really great. A magical way to learn the 8 times table date. Grab a paper and pen, let's draw it right. Follow these steps and you'll shine so bright. Step 1. Draw a table 2 rows and 5 columns wide. It's like a little grid where numbers will hide. From right to left, write the 2 times tables. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, keep it stable. Do this for both rows, don't skip a beat. Now your grid is ready, looking so neat. Now for the magic, let's add some more. Right counting 0 to 4 in the first row's core. Left to right, right 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like opening a secret door. In the second row, right 4 to 8. Left to right again, don't be late. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, now you're done. Look at your grid, the magic's begun. Now read the numbers, row by row. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, let's go. 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. 80 at the end, you cracked the code, hooray! The 8 times table is now in your hand. A magical trick you'll always understand. No more struggles, no more strife. You've mastered the 8s in your math life. So next time you're stuck, just remember this trick. The 8 times table will stick real quick. With a little grid and a dash of fun, math becomes magic for everyone.